Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on Clipboard on the keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that a clipboard is a temporary storage area and keyboard to hold data like text or image that has been copied or cut. And it allows users to transfer or paste this data. So yeah, how to turn on the clipboard on the keyboard is very easy. So now the first thing first, now you can show your own keyboard like this, and then now you can click on the left top, and then now you can click on the clipboard, and then now you can activate, you can turn on the clipboard. And here's the example of copy text or cut. And then you can add your own text. You can click for the pencil icon and then click plus, and then now you can add some text or words and then click save, and then your words will storage on clipboard. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching guys. See you.